Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you? Fine? Fine? I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Welcome to our English lesson. But before starting, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. We see animals around us. Some of us keep animals as pets. Some like visiting a zoo to see animals. There are so many beautiful animals in the zoo that we sometimes do not know the names of the animals, and we do not know how to describe the animals. Anybody knows what we are gonna learn in this video? Good! We are gonna learn how to describe animals. Jadi, tujuan pembelajaran kita adalah kalian dapat membuat deskripsi pendek dan sederhana tentang hewan.
Okay, there are some questions can help you to describe animal. Jadi ada beberapa pertanyaan yang bisa membantu kalian mendeskripsikan hewan. Yang pertama, yaitu kita bisa menanyakan name, nama dari hewan tersebut. Pertanyaannya, what is it? Apa ini? It is a rabbit. Ya, ini adalah seekor kelinci. It is a cat. Ini adalah seekor kucing. It is a dog. Ini adalah seekor anjing. Oke. Pertanyaan berikutnya bisa kita tanyakan adalah size, ukuran dari hewan tersebut. What size is it? Bagaimana ukurannya? It is big. Dia besar. It is medium size. Dia berukuran sedang. It is small. Dia kecil. Next, kita juga bisa menanyakan physical characteristic-nya. Apa itu? Yaitu ciri-ciri dari fisik hewan tersebut. Pertanyaannya, what physical characteristics does it have? Apa ciri-ciri fisik yang dia miliki? Contoh, it has 4 legs. Dia mempunyai 4 kaki. It has wings. Dia mempunyai sayap. It has no legs. Dia tidak mempunyai kaki. It has long neck. Dia mempunyai leher panjang. Nah, berikutnya kita juga bisa menanyakan apa yang dia makan ya. Nah, hewan ini makan apa? Dengan pertanyaan, what does it eat? What does it eat? Ya, apa yang dia makan? It eats grass. Dia makan rumput. It eats banana. Dia makan pisang. It eats seeds. Dia makan biji-bijian. It eats meat. Dia makan daging. Selanjutnya, kita juga bisa menanyakan bagaimana caranya dia bergerak atau berpindah tempat ya. Move. Dengan pertanyaan, how does it move? Bagaimana dia bergerak atau berpindah ya? It walks slowly. Dia berjalan dengan lambat. It can fly. Dia bisa terbang. It can swim. Dia bisa berenang. Selanjutnya, kita juga bisa menanyakan tempat tinggalnya ya. Where does it live? Di mana dia tinggal? It lives on the land. Dia hidup di darat. It lives in the water. Dia hidup di air. Oke. Next. Berikut adalah contoh kita mendeskripsikan seekor kuda ya, describing a horse. Nah, it is a horse. Ini adalah seekor kuda. It is big. Ukurannya besar. It has 4 legs. Dia punya 4 kaki. It eats grass. Dia makan rumput. It runs fast. Dia berlari dengan cepat. It lives on the land. Dia hidup di darat. Nah, berikutnya ada contoh describing a bird. Nih, mendeskripsikan burung ya. It is a bird. Ini adalah seekor burung. It is small. Ukurannya kecil. It has a beak. Dia punya sebuah paruh. Kemudian ada lagi ciri-cirinya. It has 2 legs and 2 wings. Dia punya 2 kaki dan 2 sayap. It eats seed. Dia makan biji-bijian. It can fly. Dia bisa terbang. It lives on the land. Dia hidup di darat.
Okay students, let's review what we have learned in this video. We have learned about what? How to describe animals by using some questions to ask its name, its size, its physical characteristics, what does it eat, how does it move, and where does it live. Okay, good.
Sekarang adalah sesi pertanyaan ya, question session. Oke, perhatikan baik-baik dan disimak baik-baik pertanyaannya ya. Oke, di sini perintahnya adalah choose the right answer. Number 1. What is it? It is a. Oke, perhatikan gambarnya. Gambar apa itu? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Crocodile. Or D. Sea turtle. Next, number 2. This animal can climb up a tree. It is a. A. Monkey. B. Zebra. C. Shark. Or D. Cow. Yang mana di sini yang can climb up a tree ya? Next question 3. Di sini ada percakapan antara Rina dan Lani ya. Rina, what is it? Lani, it is a dolphin. Rina, bla 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 bla. Lani, it lives in the water. The right question is, jadi pertanyaan yang tepat untuk mengisi di kolom Rina itu ya, di bagian Rina itu apa ya? Perhatikan jawaban si Lani itu ya, it lives in the water. A. What size is it? B. What color is it? C. How does it move? Or D. Where does it live? Next, number 4. Masih percakapan antara Rina dan Lani ya. Rina, what is it? Lani, it is a hummingbird. Rina, what physical characteristics does it have? Lani, blah 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 blah. The right answer is A. it can fly. B. It lives on the tree. C. It has a beautiful feather. Or D. It eats seeds. Yang mana yang tepat? Di situ dilihat pertanyaan si Rina ya. What physical characteristics? Oke, lanjut. Number 5. It is medium size. It has black and white stripes. It eats grass. What is it? A. Zebra. B. Camel. C. Lion. Or D. Monkey. Okay. Next. Number 6. Oke, ini ada teks ya. It is a koala. It is a cute creature. It eats eucalyptus leaves. It does not eat meat. It has sharp claws. The claws will help it to climb trees. It sleeps between 18 to 22 hours a day. What is the function of its claws? Pertanyaannya itu ya. What is the function of its claws? A. The claws will help a koala to climb trees. B. The claws will help koala to eat food. C. The claws will help koala to attack its enemy. Or D. The claws will help koala for sleeping on the tree. Oke, yang mana ya jawabannya yang tepat? Next, 7. Masih dengan teks bacaan yang sama ya, tentang koala. Saya akan bacakan lagi. It is a koala. It is a cute creature. It eats eucalyptus leaves. It does not eat meat. It has sharp claws. The claws will help it to climb trees. It sleeps between 18 to 22 hours a day. Oke, pertanyaannya, what kind of animal a koala is? A. An omnivore. B. A herbivore. C. A carnivore. Or D. A variety of food eater. Oke. Next, number 8. Masih dengan teks yang sama ya. Saya bacakan kembali. It is a koala. It is a cute creature. It eats eucalyptus leaves. It does not eat meat. It has sharp claws. The claws will help it to climb trees. It sleeps between 18 to 22 hours a day. Perhatikan teksnya dengan baik. According to the text, we know that. Ini pertanyaannya ya. Jadi berdasarkan teks tersebut, kalian mengetahui bahwa A. Koala does not sleep. B. Koala sleeps for a half day. C. Koala sleeps all the time. Or D. Koala sleeps almost all day long. Next, number 9. A kangaroo is big and strong. It has a pocket at the front to keep the baby kangaroo. It can jump high. Okay, choose the sentence that describe a kangaroo ya. A. It is clever. B. It can jump high. C. It can climb up a tree. Or D. It is very big and clean. Perhatikan baik-baik ya teksnya. Oke, next. Do you know penguins? What does a penguin look like? Imagine them and choose the sentences that describe a penguin. A. It is black and white. It has a tail. It can run fast. B. It is white. It has wings. It can fly. C. It is black and white. It has wings. It can swim. Or D. It is black. It has a tail. It can bark. Oke, yang mana di situ kalimat-kalimatnya yang mendeskripsikan penguin ya? Selanjutnya adalah please describe these animals. Jadi kalian diminta untuk mendeskripsikan hewan berikut ini. Yang pertama adalah hewan ini ya, dengan bantuan 6 pertanyaan. What is it? What size is it? What physical characteristics does it have? What does it eat? Yeah. How does it move? Where does it live? Nah, kalian jawab untuk membantu kalian mendeskripsikan binatang ini. Ini binatang yang pertama. Binatang yang kedua adalah ini. Sama ya, ada bantuan 6 pertanyaan untuk memudahkan kalian mendeskripsikan hewan ini. What size is it? Ya. What is it? What size is it? What physical characteristics does it have? What does it eat? Ya. How does it move? And where does it live? Oke. Semoga kalian mudah dalam mengerjakannya ya. Thanks.
I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Semoga video pembelajaran kali ini bermanfaat ya. Tetap semangat belajar. Dan Ibu ingin mengingatkan kepada kalian untuk mematuhi protokol kesehatan, menggunakan masker, mencuci tangan, menjauhi kerumunan, dan menjaga jarak. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.